Our core product is bahulu pandan priced at RM30.93 for a standard pack of 14 pieces. We mass product for the general market and accept custom job orders for special events. To manage our operations and cost efficiently, our 5-member management team is structured as follows: equal as general manager oversees our strategy direction. Anis and I manage baking operations and raw materials logistics. Huda and Ratana handle our accounting, application, analyzing process, job order and activity-based costing. Personally, I supervise quality control. To hit our daily target of 30,000 pieces within an 8-hour shift, we manage our 4 production workers through 4 critical operational bases: planning for resources, forecasting, routing for mixing to process electric baking, scheduling a strict 50-minute batch cycle from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and control to minimize material waste and normal spoilage.
Next, I will explain about the industry and product analysis of sweet pandan bahulu. Sweet pandan bahulu is a traditional Malaysian cake that has been enhanced with natural pandan extract, giving it a unique aroma, flavor, and natural green color. The product is made from fresh eggs with flour, sugar, cooking oil, and pandan extract. Each container contains 40 pieces of bahulu, weighing approximately 550 grams, and also is sold at RM30.93. The company also offers customized packaging and labeling for special events such as weddings, festivals, and corporate functions. The target market consists of 3 main groups, which is first is everyday consumers who enjoy traditional Malaysian snacks. Second is event organizers who require bulk orders for celebrations and special occasions. Third is retailers and food stalls that purchase the product for resale. Besides that, the company operates in Malaysia's traditional food manufacturing industry, which continues to grow due to a strong demand for heritage foods, especially during festive seasons. Although there is a competition from many small producers of sweet pandan bahulu differentiates itself through its natural ingredients and consistent product quality. Overall, customer purchasing decisions are mainly influenced by taste, freshness, quality, price, and attractive packaging.
I will present section 3.0, which is the costing method application for sweet pandan bahulu enterprise. Our company produces 30,000 pieces or 750 container of bahulu pandan every month. We apply 3 different costing methods using the same production data so that we can compare their result fairly. The first is job order costing. This costing method is suitable for special or customized customer order, such as corporate event or bulk order. In our example, we use job B001, which is an order for 200 containers. To calculate the job cost, we first determine the predetermined overhead rate or POHR using direct labor hour as the cost driver. The overhead rate is RM7 and 5700 per labor hour. After allocating direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, the total cost for job B001 is RM6087 and 2100, giving a unit cost of RM30 and 19400 per container. The overhead variant is only RM3 and 2400, which means our overhead estimation is very accurate. The second is activity-based costing or ABC. Unlike job order costing, ABC allocate overhead based on the activity that actually consume resources. We identify 4 main activities, which are mixing and preparation, baking, quality inspection, and packaging, also labeling. Each activity has its own cost pool and cost driver, making overhead allocation more accurate. After calculating the activity rate, the total overhead allocated is RM80 and 4100 per container. This method provides better information for management because it shows which production activity consumes the most resources. The last method is the process costing. This method is the most suitable for continuous mass production because every container of bahulu pandan is produced in the same way. The production process is divided into 3 departments, namely mixing, baking, and packaging. We use the weighted average method to calculate equivalent unit and determine the production cost. Based on our calculation, the cost per equivalent unit is RM7800 per pieces, and the total production cost is successfully reconciled at RM23,200, confirming that our calculations are accurate.
For my part, I will explain section 4.0, cost calculation and product costing. Sweet Pandan Bahulu Enterprise produce 80,000 pieces of Bahulu Pandan per month. This is equal to 750 containers and each container has 40 pieces. There are three main production costs. The first cost is direct material, which is 10,500 ringgit. The second cost is direct labor, which is 6,400 ringgit. The third cost is manufacturing overhead, which is 6,300 ringgit. So the total production cost is 23,200 ringgit per month. When we divide this amount by 750 containers, the cost is 30 ringgit and 93 cents per container. The report also compare three costing method, job order costing and activity-based costing give almost the same result, which is 30 ringgit and 94 cents per container. Process costing give 31 ringgit and 20 cents per container because it includes unfinished product calculation. Based on this cost, the suggested selling price is 40 ringgit per container. This gives the business a profit of 9 ringgit and 7 cents per container. If all 750 containers are sold, the estimated monthly profit is 6,800 ringgit. In conclusion, selling each container at 40 ringgit is suitable because the business can cover its costs and still earn profit.
I will explain about managerial decision analysis for Sweet Pandan Bahulu Enterprise. Cost information is very important because it helps management make better decision in business operation. In this company, cost information is mainly used for pricing decision, cost control, profit planning, and production efficiency. The company produces around 30,000 pieces of Bahulu Pandan per month, which is equal to 750 containers. For pricing decision, the total production cost per container is 30 ringgit and 93 cents. The suggested selling price is 40 ringgit per container, allowing the company to earn 9 ringgit and 7 cents profit for each container sold. This helps management set a selling price that is competitive while still ensuring profit. For cost control, the highest production cost comes from direct materials, which is 10,500 ringgit, followed by direct labor at 6,400 ringgit and manufacturing overhead at 6,300 ringgit. By analyzing these costs, management can identify major expenses and reduce unnecessary waste, such as controlling raw material usage and improving worker productivity. In terms of profit planning, the company earns 9 ringgit and 7 cents profit per container. If all 750 containers are sold in a month, the estimated monthly profits is 6,802 ringgit and 50 cents. This information can help management to set realistic profit targets and plan future expansion, such as purchasing new equipment or introducing new product variation. Lastly, for production efficiency, the company produces 30,000 pieces or 750 containers per month with a cost of 30 ringgit and 93 cents per container. This shows that the company is able to maintain a high production output while controlling costs efficiently.
Future business planning is important to improve the company's performance, competitiveness, and long-term sustainability. There are three main strategies that our company can implement, which are cost reduction, market expansion, and operational improvement. Their strategy can help increase profitability, improve efficiency, and strengthen customer satisfaction. Firstly, the company can reduce costs through effective material management. Raw material should be purchased according to production needs to avoid excess inventory and unnecessary storage costs. The company should also work with reliable suppliers to obtain quality material at reasonable price. In addition, production waste, defective product, and excessive use of resources should be minimized through proper employee training and cost control. Secondly, market expansion is important for business growth. The company can use digital marketing platforms such as social media, online store, and company website to reach more customers. Besides that, products can be sold in shopping centers, convenience stores, universities, and other locations. Promotion activity such as discount and loyalty program can also encourage repeat purchases. Lastly, operational improvement is necessary to increase production efficiency. The company should improve production scheduling and coordination between purchasing, production, storage, and delivery department. Regularly quality monitoring can help reduce customer complaints and maintain product quality. Furthermore, the use of simple technology and recording system can improve management control. By tracking costs, inventory, production, and sales data, manager can make better business decisions. Overall, this strategy will help the company improve efficiency, customer satisfaction.
Lastly, I will explain the costing method evaluation and justification for Sweet Pandan Bahulu Enterprise. The company compared three costing methods, which are job order costing, activity-based costing or ABC, and process costing to determine the most suitable method. Based on the comparison, job order costing and ABC produce almost the same cost, which is 30 ringgit and 94 cents per container. Meanwhile, process costing show a slightly higher cost of 31 ringgit and 20 cents per container. Each method has its own strength. Job order costing is suitable for customized order. ABC provides more accurate overhead allocation, while process costing is best for continuous production. Therefore, process costing was selected as the most suitable method because the company produced 30,000 pieces every month using the same production process. It is easier to implement, requires less administrative work, and support better decision making in pricing, cost control, and profit planning.